The ocean is a vault. It swallows history and keeps secrets in the dark. But
We spent months tracking the coordinates. This isn't out just scrap metal down there. It's a lost legend. And there she was, sleeping in the silence for over 70 years. As the air filled the bags, the grip of the ocean finally loosened. The structure was fragile. One wrong move, and it would crumble into dust. For the first time in decades, the sun touched her wings again. The ship could only do so much. To bring her home, we needed raw power from the sky.
Precision is everything here. A few inches off, and disaster strikes.
Slowly, steadily, the giant rose from its grave.
We got her to the workshop just as the light was fading.
Now she belongs to us. Every bolt, every rivet was crying out for help.
The salt water had been cruel. The corrosion was deep. Most people would call this impossible.
But I could see what she used to be, and I knew what she could become again. The heart of the machine was silent. It was a tomb.
First, we had to wash away the years of neglect. Removing the engine felt like performing surgery. It was seized solid. Layer by layer, we peeled back the past to find the metal underneath. Some parts were too far gone. We had to cut the cancer out to save the patient.
Stripped to the bone. This is where the real work begins.
Sand and air, the ultimate purifiers, leaving us with a clean slate.
New skin, new strength. It takes a steady hand.
You don't force the metal, you guide it. You have to feel the curve.
Thousands of rivets, each one holding the dream together.
Fire and steel. That's how you build a bond that lasts forever.
Inside the engine, precision is the only law. We gave every piston a new life.
When the last bolt turned, I knew the beast was ready to wake up.
The cockpit isn't just a seat. It's where the pilot meets the sky.
This wooden blade, it's not just a part. It is the beautiful sculpture that pulls the whole machine through the sky.
Preparation is key. The primer lays the foundation.
She isn't just metal anymore. She's a work of art.
The heart returns to the body.
Perfect balance. She's itching to spin.
Standing tall on her own feet again. She is no longer a wreck. She is a machine ready to move.
We polished her until she shone like a diamond. Every scratch from the past was wiped away.
She has a name. And she has a legacy.
Months of sweat and blood lead to this single moment.
Once lost to the sea, now she stands ready to challenge the sun.
Listen to that. That's not just noise. That is the sound of life.
We didn't just fix a machine. We saved a soul. She was born to fly.
If you enjoyed this restoration, hit like and subscribe. The next project will be even bigger.